In today's video, I will show you how to file your taxes using Cash App. Cash App includes a free tax filing feature that lets you complete and submit your federal and state tax returns directly from the app. So to get started, open Cash App on your device. Scroll down until you see taxes or use the search option to find it. Now, if you're filing for the first time, tap to get started. If you have already begun, simply tap resume. You will first need to enter your personal information, create a password for your tax account, and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, you will add your income information. If you're an employee, you will usually enter your W-2 form. But if you're self-employed or earn freelance income, you will enter your 1099 forms instead. Cash App also lets you add other tax documents, report deductions, and include any eligible expenses that may reduce the amount of taxes you owe. Once you have entered all of your information, review everything carefully to make sure it's accurate. Cash App will point out any missing information or possible errors before you continue. Then, after reviewing your return, choose how you would like to receive your refund or pay any taxes owed. Then, follow the prompts to electronically file your return. After you submit your taxes, you can check the status anytime from the Taxes section in Cash App. The app will notify you once your return has been accepted or if any additional information is needed. And that's how you can file your taxes using Cash App. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.